There are a lot of ways you can learn or improve your skills in a particular language, from attending classes to self-learning. Here are some ideas to help you improve your abilities in the languages you love to learn. Number 1. Speak as much you can. Practice is the key to learning to speak any language. You need to be confident and speak with as many people as possible. The more errors you make in front of fluent speakers, the more opportunities for the correction you'll have. As a result, your language abilities will improve. Number 2. Watch TV shows or movies with subtitles. It's a good idea to watch TV shows or movies in the target language to expand your vocabulary and improve your conversational fluency. It also helps in the development of your listening comprehension. Subtitles can help you comprehend the context of dialogue that you wouldn't understand otherwise. As your vocabulary grows, you can begin to watch without subtitles. Number 3. Learn a new word every day. Expanding your vocabulary is an important step in improving your target language. Acquiring a rich vocabulary allows you to speak well and efficiently. To do this, start by making a list of new words you come across. Then write a sentence explaining the meaning and how to use each one. Number 4. Make friends. If you don't already have friends who learn the same language as you, or who speak your target language natively, the internet can help. There are several language exchange websites where connect you with native speakers of other languages. Number 5. Listen to podcasts. You can listen to podcasts in the language you want to learn while doing something else. This is a background exercise that takes no time, but helps a lot in improving your language. Number 6. Download language learning apps. There are several language learning software alternatives available on the market that allow you to learn a new language at your own pace and on your own schedule. You may take a short and enjoyable language lesson at home or wherever else you feel comfortable. Number 7. Read books in the target language. Another great way to enhance your foreign language abilities is to read books in your target language. It can help to increase your vocabulary. You might not understand all of the words, but still, you'll be able to get the gist. Making a list of new words and trying to use them will help you in memorizing them. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.